Good day. I am Brian Tohote Selen, 30 years old from the Philippines. I am a licensed professional teacher with a bachelor's degree in secondary education, major in English. I also graduated Doctor of Education, major in Educational Management last year. I am a public school teacher of 7 years now, teaching English subjects. Aside from teaching, I am also a coach for various public speaking competitions like impromptu speaking, extemporaneous speaking, radio broadcasting, and English journalism. I am applying for the September 2026 intake. I want to work with the Ministry of Preschool and School Education of Uzbekistan because I want to contribute to improving English education while growing professionally in an international environment. I also wanted to share my teaching strategies to my colleagues and learners in teaching English language. Thank you.